12 here. Today I'd like to share with you another resource, differentiated star writing. They're writing prompts at multiple complexity levels for you to use in your classroom. To access differentiated star writing prompts, you're going to click on My Course from your dashboard. Then you're going to select the Science, Literacy, and Vocabulary Mastery button. Then you're going to select Differentiated Science Writing. You'll notice for different topics, from matter and energy down to ecosystems and plants, there are writing prompts at the beginning level, the intermediate level, the advanced level, and the advanced high. Yes, those certainly are the TELPAS PLD levels, but they're appropriate for use with all students in your classroom. Because regardless of whether or not English is their native language or Spanish is their native language or English is their second language, we have students that write at a beginning level all the way up to an advanced high level. So let's look at an example. We're going to look at matter and we're going to look at the beginning level. Each question has an image. This is one of the fair. And one or two questions. This question at the beginning level says, what foods do you see in the photo, and describe what each food is like. We're looking at properties of matter. And it even has a sentence starter. The foods shown in the photos are, and a place for students to write. The second question, at the beginner level, it still has that same picture prompts. What is inside the balloons? The balloons contain, so we're looking at air, helium, the idea that even though matter, sometimes we cannot see it's still there and it still takes up space. That is the beginner's level. Let's go back and look at the advanced high level. At the advanced high level, you'll see that we still have the same picture prompts, matter at the fair, but the complexity of the question, and therefore the complexity of their writing, will increase. Describe what you would see, hear, and feel if you were at the fair. So again, we're still looking at properties of matter, but it is at a higher cognitive level. The second question, what changes happen when fireworks explode in the sky? So we're looking at changes in matter here. And just as a tip, sometimes if I were to do this with students, I might not even assign this. I might just put it up on my projector and display it and have students write this prompt on paper so that I could take that up and have physical paper to grade, as opposed to having them type it in. Just another option for you. As always, thank you for allowing us to support you in creating phenomenal learning experiences for your students.